Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your friend, your go-to guide for making money without losing your mind. And today, we're diving into 10 easy side hustles that can help students like you make $1,000 or more every month. Yes, you heard that right, $1,000. Enough to cover your tuition, buy some ramen, and still have some left for a Netflix subscription. So, let's get started. Alright, hustle number 1. Freelance writing. If you've got away with words, why not get paid for it? Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are bringing the opportunities. You can write blog posts, product descriptions, or even love letters. Just don't write my example one. Imagine this. You're sitting in your dorm room, sipping on some coffee, and crafting a killer article about why cats are superior to dogs. Bam! $50 in your pocket. And hey, it's better than writing that term paper, right? Next up, hustle number 2. Photography. No, you don't need a fancy camera. Your smartphone will do just fine. Start by offering to take photos at events or sell your snaps on sites like Shutterstock. I mean, someone's gotta buy that artistic picture of your half-eaten pizza, right? But seriously, people need photos for websites, blogs, and social media. And who knows, maybe your photo of the sunset gets you a cool $100. Hustle number 3. Tutoring. Remember all those hours you spent understanding calculus? Time to make them pay off. You can tutor in person or online via platforms like Chegg or whiz. And guess what? Explaining Pythagoras' theorem can actually be fun. Well, fun for your wallet, at least. You get to feel smart and helpful while making money. It's a win-win. Plus, your friend gets an A, and you get paid. Not bad. Huh? Hustle number 4. Reselling. Got a talent for spotting deals? Buy low, sell high. Hit up thrift stores, garage sales, or even your own closet. List your finds on eBay, Poshmark, or Depop. That old jacket you never wear?
Juggling.
One student's trash is another student's treasure. And sometimes, that treasure is worth a couple $100. Hustle number 5. Virtual assistant. Companies are always looking for help with scheduling, emails, or social media management. Sites like Belay or Fancy Hands are a great place to start. Imagine being the mastermind behind someone's organized life. Plus, you get to practice your own time management skills. Double win. Hustle number 6. Selling handmade goods. If you're crafty, put those skills to use. Whether it's jewelry, candles, or custom t-shirts, there's a market for it. Etsy, Redbubble, or even Instagram can be your sales platform. Turn your hobby into cash. And hey, you might end up being the next big thing in handmade crafts. Hustle number 7. Pet sitting and dog walking. Love animals? Get paid to play with them. Apps like Rover and Wag connect pet owners with sitters and walkers. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to get paid to play with a puppy? It's exercise, it's fun, and it's money in your pocket. Plus, you might meet some cute dogs along the way. Or cute dog owners. Just saying. Hustle number 8. Delivery services. Whether it's food delivery with Uber Eats, DoorDash, or groceries with Instacart, you can make a decent amount of money. And it's super flexible, so you can fit it around your classes. Plus, you might get some free food along the way.
Bonus.
Hustle number 9. Selling used books. Textbooks are expensive, but guess what? You can sell them for a decent price. Use platforms like Amazon, BookScouter, or local buyback programs. It's like recycling but with money, and you're helping out other students by giving them cheaper options. Last but not least, hustle number 10. Online surveys and market research. Companies will pay for your opinion. Sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer money for surveys and product testing. It's easy money for sharing your thoughts. And hey, you're probably giving your opinion on stuff for free anyway, so why not get paid for it? And there you have it, my friends. 10 easy side hustles that can help you make $1,000 or more every month. Remember, the key is to find something you enjoy and stick with it. And who knows, maybe one of these hustles will turn into a full-blown career. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which hustle you're going to try first. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.